Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Safari web history on your iPhone running iOS 26. So I'm here on the Safari app. Let's get started. First, you need to tap on this three dots button which is right next to this address bar. Just tap here, and in here tap on bookmarks. So inside this section you will see these three tabs: the bookmarks, the reading list, and the browsing history, which is the last one. Now to clear your history, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and select the option that says clear. This will open the clear history menu. Here you can choose the time frame of the history that you want to clear, like last hour, today, or today and yesterday. Or if you want to delete all history, you can select all history. So choose whatever suits you and tap clear history. This will remove all the selected history from Safari app on your iPhone. So this is one way to delete your history from Safari app. There's also another way to do this. Go to Settings app. In here, search for Safari and tap Safari and scroll all the way down, and here look for the option that says clear history and website data. Just tap on it. It will give you the same clear history menu that you saw in the Safari app. Just select whatever is appropriate for you and tap clear history. So these are the two ways you can delete your web browsing history on your iPhone. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next video.